What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. My name is Jeff. If you don't know, I run the Aeroflow Instagram and social media. Anyways, today, before I get started what we're doing today, I want to let you guys know we took off the wheels, our last set of wheels. It was rubbing and hitting. Let me just show you where I was rubbing. Look at this. Actually, no, that's not even that bad. Right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. I was rubbing. It's a little too aggressive with the 1-inch spacers. So we decided to take that off and mount some other wheels, which, you know what? I'll show you what it is. Show you a little sneak peek. Because we're getting ready for Subi Fest. So here are the new wheels again. I know, right? 18.5 with a 24 offset, okay? So this is gonna be pretty aggressive. These are Meister S1 3Ps. If you don't know, well, now you know. Oh my God, look at that. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Polished lip, black face with some white decals. We're gonna slap these on later. We'll save this for another time. But today, I'm here to install the K&N air filter and do the charcoal delete. I see some guys on YouTube and Instagram and Facebook talking about the charcoal delete can give you like 2 more pounds of boost and potentially like a couple horsepower. We're here to test that theory today, which I picked one up at my local AutoZone. If you're interested, the part number is 335064. I pay $60 after tax. And then we're gonna get this installed, show you how to take this off, take off the charcoal filter behind it. But before we do that, we're gonna take the car for a drive and see how much boost we're making right now. And then remove it, put this on, and go for a drive again. So let's get started. Kind of warmed up. We're gonna go for a drive. I want to see how much boost I can get. I'm gonna do like a second gear and third gear pulls, get an idea, and we get to listen to our Remark exhaust as well. So let's. And by the way, guys, on the last video we talked about that new car. So we are gonna indeed pick up the new Z. We just don't know when it's available for us to pick up. And there are some right now that have like a crazy markup, like crazy, ridiculous $30,000 markup for a Z, right? Crazy. That was about third gear pull, 12.7 pounds. Not too bad, right? That was about 12.7 again. All right, so it's about 12.7 pounds of boost. Not bad. It's on 91 octane. So I know people are testing on 93 as well. So we have only 91 here, unfortunately. Arizona, California, and Nevada. Yeah, I'm gonna go back right now and take off the charcoal filter and put on the K&N. And let's see what kind of numbers we're gonna make. Hopefully, you know, if online says we get about 1 pound, I'll be pretty happy. But yeah, essentially, by the way, you know, having this charcoal removed is like you wearing a mask, you know, right now. So imagine you're running, you have a mask on, now taking the mask off. So theoretically speaking, it should help. So let's see. Let's get to the shop and then take everything off and go from there. All right, guys. So Either Wraps is doing a lot of cars right now. Check out that British Green BRZ they're doing. Super nice color. We're actually getting a car dropped off next week for Subi Fest, so can't show the color yet, but very excited for that. Anyway, so to take this off, pretty much disconnect your MAF sensor. All right, and then there's a clamp here that holds your intake together. Just loosen that up. Okay. Loosen. Pop these 2 clips up, and then you should have access. There's another clip here in the back, guys, to disconnect, and that's. So this is a charcoal right here. As you can see, it's like a thick filter right here, and his is the filter we gotta replace. 1,800 miles, not too dirty. Anyway, won't be needing this anymore. I'm just kidding, we might need it. Okay, anyway, so here's the filter. We gotta cut this out, so I'm gonna get a blade. Grab like a box cutter knife. I'm gonna start cutting the sides right here. You know, go straight in. Okay, or just rip it off. This is why you go to the gym, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not super OCD, but I'm a little OCD when it comes to stuff like this. So for this, I'm just gonna toss away. Subaru, don't void my warranty, okay? Alright guys, so here's the old filter. Let me grab the new filter. And let's do a quick comparison of the filters. So they're about the same size. This is already oiled up for you, so you're ready to go. Yep, and it does smell terrible. It smells like lube. Not the good kind of lube. But that was it. See? Ugh. Just kidding, guys. All right, guys, so after that, all I gotta do is make sure the clamp goes back. You don't want this blowing off or else you're not gonna get the power. All right, guys, make sure everything snug tight. Okay, plug in this intake clamp right here. Just make sure tighten this back up and then plug back your sensor. And that's it. So we're gonna go for a drive right now and let's see how much power this makes and let's see if it's true about, you know, the filters. All right, guys, so everything's installed back with the new K&N filter and the charcoal delete. Let's see if we can break 12.7. To be honest, I'll be happy if we get like 13. Do a second real quick. Woo, guys, 13! Holy sh! Oh, that's pretty sick. Oh yeah, see, I wanted 13, man. God said, I'm gonna give you 13. So here it is, 13. Okay, that was second gear, you know, to third. I'm gonna do a third gear pull again, see how much I can get. Let's see. 12.8, 13, yeah. So 13 peak, 12.8, not bad, not bad. Does the car feel faster, to be honest? No, not really. Maybe like slightly, but not much difference. I'm too busy staring at the screen right now, so. All right, let's do one more run right here. Let's do a second, let's do a third gear. But huge improvement, guys. For 60 bucks, you know, I think it's awesome. Get a phone call. Oh, by the way, I do sales now for the phone. If I pick up the call, it's me. Aero Body Kit, how can I help you?
Hey, how you doing?
Okay, how's it going?
I had a quick question.
Oh my God, lady almost ran me over. Second gear right here. All right, guys, so we got 0.3 boost for 60 bucks. I'm very satisfied. I'm very happy. It looks, I mean, it sounds pretty good already with the bypass valve and exhaust. So we're gonna get you some flybys right now. Let you hear the sound from outside and inside. And that's it for today's short video. So if you're interested in doing this to your WRX, super easy. Ready to go to your local AutoZone and pick up a K&N filter. I mean, you don't have to run the K&N filter, so you can use stock one, just take out the charcoal delete. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Next week video, we're gonna be doing the wrap and putting the new wheels on again. So I'll catch you guys next time.